Hey everyone, it's Rachel from Sugar Maple Farmhouse, and today I'm going to lime wash our fireplace. Okay, so a few things before we get started today. One, I'm looking really grubby. I am in this shirt with stains on it. It's got paint on it. It's perfect for lime washing the fireplace. Lime washing, if you guys don't know, is essentially like painting the fireplace. So it is going to change the color of the brick. The thing about lime wash is that you can go in afterwards and take some of it off, so it leaves a brick with a little bit of a vintage look. I'm not totally sure I'm going to do that yet, but we'll just see how it goes. Also, if you are a brick purist, do not leave me a bunch of nasty comments on how I shouldn't be painting my brick. I'm doing this for a couple of reasons. One, the brick is really a color that makes it hard to decorate with any natural elements. And as you guys know, if you follow me on the blog, I really like to decorate with natural elements. And I got really frustrated this fall when I started decorating the fireplace that I couldn't see any of that detail and those pretty things that I was putting up there. So I'm doing this so that this will help all of that kind of stand out a little more. Also, the brick is not vintage in any sense of the word. Half our house was built in 1900, that half. Half our house was built in 2017, this half. But the brick, when they built the fireplace, they still didn't use full brick. It's just a brick facade. So they actually shaved the brick and just stuck that up there. So I feel a little less bad about painting this, knowing that it's not full brick that somebody kind of had to stack and form and make all beautiful. Anyways, I'm ready to get started. I think this is going to look gorgeous. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm going to do a time lapse so you don't have to sit here because this is going to take probably a couple days, at least 2. Other than that, let's get started. Okay everyone, I'm done painting on the lime wash for the day. You have up to 48 hours for lime wash to cure. So what usually happens is people will go back and they'll distress certain bricks that they want more of the original brick showing through too. I don't know if I'm gonna do that. I kinda am liking how it looks like this. I love the bright white. I think that it's gonna go really well in this room. It already looks so much different. It feels like spring in here to me. So I think I might not do that, but I am for sure gonna let it dry overnight before I decide, because right now I know it kind of looks a little splotchy. You can tell the difference between a dry area and a not dry area. So the upper corner up here is the most dry. Maybe it doesn't look that way on camera. I'm not really sure how it's gonna convey on camera, but in person I can tell. And I wanna see how it looks once it's all actually pretty dry before I decide if I'm gonna do anything else. So I'm gonna at least let it dry overnight and then we'll see. After 24 hours, we decided to leave the fireplace as is instead of exposing some of the brick underneath again that's usually done with a lime wash. We love how it looks and we love how it brightens up the space in the family room. Thank you guys so much for following along with me as we lime wash the fireplace. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I will have a full blog post up at sugarmaplefarmhouse.com. And please remember to hit the subscribe button so you can follow along with everything we're doing here at Sugar Maple Farmhouse. There's some really fun stuff coming up literally in the next month that I can't wait to show you. Thanks everyone.